Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to English Speaker Podcast. I'm Amy.
And I'm Jack. Hey guys, good to have you here again.
So, I got something super cool for you today. Like, genuinely one of my favorite topics, because it's something that totally changed the way I learn languages.
Ooh, okay, now I'm curious. What is it?
We're talking about training your brain to actually think in English, not just study it, but think in it all day long.
I love that. All right, guys, stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll have like 6 really practical tips you can start using today. Let's get into it.
Okay, so the first one is probably the simplest, but also the most powerful, honestly. And it's this: narrate your day in English, in your head.
Wait, what do you mean, like, talk to myself?
Exactly. So, for example, right now I'm making my coffee, and in my head I just think, okay, I'm grinding the beans, I'm pouring the water, I'm waiting for it to brew. Just narrating, in English, what I'm actually doing, which, by the way, is basically what I'm doing right now.
That's actually kind of fun. So, it could be anything, right? Like, I'm getting dressed, or I'm leaving the house now.
Yeah, totally. Or bigger stuff too. Like, this afternoon I'm meeting up with some friends. Or, tonight, I'm going to cook dinner for my family. And the more you do it, the more it just becomes automatic.
That's such a simple trick, but I can already see how that builds up your vocabulary, like super naturally. Okay, what's next?
Next one. Change the language on your phone and your apps to English. Your Instagram, your settings, your Maps app, everything.
Oh man, isn't that like really confusing at first? What if you can't find a button because you don't know what it says?
Yeah, the first couple of days are a little rough. But honestly, it's such a small change, and it puts you in this constant little bubble of English. It's a tiny thing, but it adds up, big time.
Okay, makes sense. All right, number 3. What about something a bit more fun, like entertainment?
Yes, absolutely. Watch series and movies in English. And here's the thing. Try to watch them with English subtitles, not subtitles in your own language.
Why is that better though? I feel like it'd be easier with subtitles in your own language.
It is easier, but it kind of trains your brain to translate everything back instead of just understanding it directly. With English subtitles, you're connecting the sound and the written word at the same time, which is, honestly, a total game changer. And by that I mean it really changes everything in a good way.
That makes sense. Okay, what about music? Because I feel like a lot of people just listen without really paying attention to the words.
Right, and that's fine too, actually. Even just having English music on in the background gets your ears used to the rhythm, the sounds, the pronunciation. But if you want to level up, look up the lyrics and sing along.
Ooh, I like that. What about like watching videos about stuff you're actually into, hobbies and stuff like that?
Oh, that one's huge. So whatever you're into, cooking, gaming, makeup, football, whatever, find English channels about it. You already know the topic, so, you'll understand way more than you think, and you'll pick up the exact vocabulary for things you actually care about.
That's smart, because you're like motivated already. Okay, last one. What about writing and reading?
Yeah, so try writing a few lines every day. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just a quick journal, like, today I did this, I felt this. And for reading, start small. Articles, short stories, even just captions on social media.
Okay, I think that's a really solid list, honestly. So, to sum it all up, narrate your day, switch your phone to English, watch shows with English subtitles, listen to music, watch videos about your hobbies, and write and read a little every day. 6 tips.
Love that recap. Okay, so if this episode's been useful for you, do us a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the podcast.
Yeah, definitely. And now, let's go through some vocabulary from today's chat. We'll say the word, give you a quick comment about it, and then a sentence using that word. And remember, we'll say each example sentence twice, so you can repeat it out loud.
First word, mindset. This basically means your general attitude or your way of thinking about something. And honestly, today's whole episode is about changing your mindset toward English.
Here's an example, and I'll say it twice so you can repeat it. If you change your mindset, learning English becomes so much easier. If you change your mindset, learning English becomes so much easier.
Next up, immersion. This means surrounding yourself completely with something, in our case, the English language.
I try to create immersion by listening to English podcasts every morning. I try to create immersion by listening to English podcasts every morning.
Number 3, Habit. A habit is something you do regularly, almost without thinking about it.
It took me a while, but now thinking in English is just a habit. It took me a while, but now thinking in English is just a habit.
Next, routine. Your routine is the set of things you usually do, like every day or every week.
I added English videos to my morning routine. I added English videos to my morning routine.
Number 5, subtitles. Those are the written words that appear on screen, showing what's being said.
I always watch movies with English subtitles now. I always watch movies with English subtitles now.
Next, background. We used this one when we talked about music. It means something happening behind you while you focus on something else.
I leave English music playing in the background while I work. I leave English music playing in the background while I work.
Number 7, lyrics. These are the words of a song.
Looking up the lyrics really helped me understand my favorite songs. Looking up the lyrics really helped me understand my favorite songs.
Next up, comfort zone. This means the situations where you feel safe and relaxed with no challenge at all.
Changing your phone to English pushes you a little outside your comfort zone. Changing your phone to English pushes you a little outside your comfort zone.
Number 9, consistency. This means doing something regularly, over and over, without stopping.
Consistency is more important than doing a lot just once. Consistency is more important than doing a lot just once.
And last but not least, fluent. If you're fluent in a language, you can speak it smoothly and naturally without struggling.
Practicing every day is the best way to become fluent. Practicing every day is the best way to become fluent.
All right, that's it for today. Let us know in the comments. What was the most useful tip for you? Or maybe which word you liked learning the most?
Thanks so much for listening, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I'm Jack, this is Amy, and this has been English Speaker Podcast. See you in the next episode.